Is it audible to you people? Is it
Yes,
audible?
Yes, sir.
I guess screen is
I guess
visible,
screen is
right?
visible, right?
Yeah, let's start. Okay, last class we have stopped at a point. I have given two numbers, two BCD numbers, and asked you to add them, right? So we have tried with different numbers. Let's say if the sum is less than equal to 9 and carry is equal to 0, it will result in a valid BCD code, right? So example was I gave uh, 1 plus 2, okay, 1 plus 2. So 1, how you were representing? 0 0 0 1, and 2 means 0 0 1 0. Okay, so if you add what we were getting, this was the answer. So 0011 was a valid BCD code. It is a valid BCD code. Okay, so it is equivalent to what? Sorry. It is equivalent to what value?
3.
3, right? It is equivalent to the value 3. So similarly, I asked last time to add how much? 95 plus 99, I guess. Okay,
99 plus 98.
99 plus 98. Okay, and I asked other people's also, roll number 18 plus 19, 28 plus 29. Okay, so I guess you people might have done it, right? So there may be another condition. Three conditions we have in BCD addition. Okay, so one is this condition, another is the sum, the sum may be less than equal to 9. Okay, and it will generate some carry. Okay, it will generate some carry. I mean carry will be 1. Then whatever result you get, that will be an invalid result. So this result is invalid. Okay, result is invalid. So what you have to do if you get an invalid BCD code as result? Let's say example is I will take 7 plus 3. Okay, 7 plus 3. So answer will be 10, right? 7 means how do you write? 0 1 1 1. Okay, plus 3 means 0 0 1 1. So if you add them, what you will get? This is 1, sorry, 1 1 0. This is 0. This is 1 1 0, carry 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, how much? 1 1 2 1 3. So this is 1 and a carry 1 1 1 0 and a carry 1. So is it correct? 1010. Are there any
Yes,
BCD
sir.
code? 1010. Is it correct answer? Is it correct answer?
No, sir.
No, it is an invalid BCD code, right? We don't have any number that is represented by 1010. Okay, so let me remind the chat to you. So in BCD we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, we have binary representation for these 10 decimal digits only. Okay, not for decimal numbers, these are decimal digits. So 0 was represented as using 4-bit as 0 0 0 0. Okay, 1 means 0 0 0 1. Okay, 2 0 0 1 0. 3 0 0 1 1. 4 0 1 0 0. 5. Okay, what was 6? 7, 8, 9, 1 0 0 1. Only these 10 are valid BCD codes. These are only valid BCD codes. Okay. Other codes, whatever you get, they are not valid BCD codes, because in BCD we have only this 10, right? So what answer we got for 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3 we have done right recently. 7 means what? 0 triple 1. Okay, so 0 1 1 1 plus 3 means how much? 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 1. If you add, how much you are getting?
1010.
This is 0, a carry of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is again a carry of 1. 1 1 0. 1 0 1 0. Do you find 1 0 1 0 here? No. So it's an invalid answer, right? It's an invalid BCD code. So if the result is greater than 10, greater than 9, it will result in a invalid BCD code. Then what you have to do? You have to add
Plus
6.
6.
You have to add plus 6. Okay, so you take 1 0 1 0, add plus 6. 6 means how much? 0.
110.
Okay, let me do it here. 0 1 1 0. So if you add, what you will get? 0. This is 0. Carry 1. Okay, this is 0. Again carry 1. 1 1 0 1. Okay, so this is one BCD code and this is another BCD code. Okay, so here we have 0 0 and 0, right? So this is equivalent to what? 10. Okay, so this is a valid BCD, this is a valid BCD, but this is not a valid BCD. Understand? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
This was
Yes, sir.
the second condition. Okay, so first condition was if sum is less than equal to 9 and carry is equal to 0. Okay, this was the example. So if sum is less than equal to 9 and carry is equal to 1, result is invalid. So what you have to do? You have to add 6 0 1 1 0. You have to add 6, okay, to the result. That will give us the correct result. Okay, then if the sum is greater than 9, okay, third scenario we will see. If the sum is greater than 9, if sum is greater than 9, okay, I guess the last scenario was this: sum was greater than 9. Okay, sum less than equal to 9 and resulting in carry. That also invalid answer. Okay, the previous one, this previous one, this is 7 plus 3. This is what sum is greater than 9. Okay, and carry is 0. Carry is 0. Okay. Similarly, sum less than equal to 9 and resulting in carry. Sum less than equal to 9 and if it if at all it results in carry, then also you have to add 6. Okay, whatever we have written here. Okay, you have to, sum is less than equal to 9, and if it results in a carry, you have to add 6. Here also you have to add 6. Okay, add 6 here. 0 1 1 0. Okay, only the first case will be as usual, other two cases will be you have to add 6. Okay, now today we will see BCD subtraction. Okay, you can try with different some examples. Let's understand today BCD subtraction. Okay, you will find we will see BCD.
It's not visible.
Sir, once can you explain BCD addition of 98 plus 99?
Yeah, 98, 99. Last class someone explained, right? You were not there. Who explained last time? 98 plus 99. Someone shared the screen, right?
Me,
Akash,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Do you have the screen?
Yes, sir.
Share it.
Okay, sir.
Yes. See. 99 plus 98. Who was asking? Have a look to the screen. So 9 is represented as 1001 and 8 is represented as 1000. So you have represented here in the first two rows, you can see, and you add them. Okay, and you add them. So what you are getting?
Sir, do we have to add 6 at both the
Yes, yes.
forwards?
You have to add 6 in both, or else you won't get answer, right? See, able to edit it here. Wait a minute. Let's see. Okay, I am telling, just observe, right? So 9998, right? The LSB 1001. Okay, I mean left side block, you see 1001 is added with 1000, right? It results into what? 1 plus 0 is 1, then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, then 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. The carry is taken to the next block. Okay, so answer was what? 0001. Okay, answer was 0001. Did it result in some carry? First block. Did it? Answer me. Did it result in some carry? Let me share it in my screen quickly. Yeah, see here. '99 plus 98. See. 99 plus 98. Okay, so 9 means what? 1001. Again 9 means 1001. Then again 9, this is 1001. 8 means 1. Okay, so I have written 4 4 in this way. Okay, so that we will be uh, it will be easier for us to understand. Okay, let's add them. Okay, what you get? This is 1. Okay, this is 0. This is 0. 1 plus 1. How much? Sum 0, carry
Carry
1.
one.
Okay, sum 0, carry 1. So this sum is how much? 1 plus 1 plus 1.
11, sir.
1 1.
1 more.
Someone carry one.
Yeah, sum 1, carry 1. Okay, sir. Sum 1, carry 1. So this is 1. This is 0. This is okay. Now this one was what? Carry of this addition. Okay, this one was carry of this addition. Okay, so sum of the first block resulted in what value? This resulted in what value?
One.
1. The value is greater than 9 or less than 9? Less than equal to 9. Okay, it comes in the category this is less than 9. Okay, but it generated one carry. It generated carry. Okay, generated carry. So carry is equal to 1 here. See this condition. Sum is less than 9 and generated one carry. Okay, this is what I have written here. Sum is less than 9 and generated one carry. So what you have to do?
We should add 6.
Yeah. So someone asked the doubt, shall we add 6 here? So if sum is less than 9 or less than equal to 9 and it generates a carry in the result, if it generates a carry in the result, you have to add 6. Okay, you have to add 6, right? So we have to add here 6 0 1 1 0. Similarly, see this sum here, it is also less than 9 and it also generated one carry. So what you have to do? You have to add 6. Okay, I guess now you people can do. Any addition will come
Yes, sir.
under
Yes, sir.
these 3 category only, right? So this is one category, this is another category, this is another category, 3. Okay, now I expect you people to do it. Okay, complete it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Now let's see the I mean subtraction today. Okay, subtraction also we have some procedure. BCD subtraction. Few rules are here, you have to remember first. Okay, for BCD subtraction we require 2 adders. Okay, 2 adders are required. 2 adders are required. Make a note of it. 2 adders are required. Then we have some algorithm to follow.
Sir,
Yes,
small doubt, sir.
tell.
Sir, you said that if the like while adding 99 and 98,
Mm.
we have to add 6 on both sides, no, sir.
Mm.
Like while I'm adding 47 and 48, sir, it generated a carry 1
Where?
on the second block.
Mm.
Though we are not adding it on both sides.
Okay, we will take that
I'm
example.
getting answer.
We
Yes,
will
sir.
take your example first. Let's complete the subtraction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See here, we will be having uh, an algorithm to solve this, right? Let me take to one example, then it will be clear. I'm writing, just make a note of it. If end around carry, okay, this results in positive results. If end around carry is 1, okay, the result will be negative if end around carry of the first sum is 0, okay. Then if carry is equal to 1, this is added in adder 2, okay. If carry is equal to 0, 1 0 1 0 is added in adder 2. If carry is equal to 1, we will be adding here 1 0 1 0 is added in adder 2, adder 2, okay. If carry is 0, 0 0 0 0 will be added. 0 okay, 0 0 0 0 is added. There is some problem with my screen, okay, in adder 2, okay. Just remember this algorithm, right? Just remember this algorithm. We will take a reference of this algorithm, and before going to this, two more steps are there, okay. While taking an example, I will inform that, okay. Let's go to next page. I'm interested to add, say, 45 with 21, okay. 45 with 21, right? I'm interested to add 45 with 21, or not add, subtract, okay. 45 minus 21. So what I have to do is the procedure for BCD subtraction is, you will be having, this is called as minuend, this is called as subtrahend, okay, right? So this is m minus s, okay. So what we will do,
Sir,
yeah,
Dev I'm Jayasri.
madam,
Sir, co-host is not there for this session. OLF is not there.
left was Gauri madam. So morning she called me, I she joined. I didn't see.
Is she there?
మేడం ఉన్నాను మేడం జయశ్రీ మేడం
Madam is there.
Okay.
హలో మేడం
Okay, okay.
నిన్నటి నుంచి జాయిన్ అవుతున్నా మేడం శ్రీలత మేడం దగ్గర నుంచి మినీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నుంచి
Alright. Okay, sir. Sorry. Please continue, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, right. So 45 minus 21. So minuend minus subtrahend 45 minus 21. So what you have to do is represent 45 in BCD. Okay, so how to represent 45? So 4 0 1 0 0. 5 means 0 1 0 1. Okay, 0 1 0 1. Then this 21. Okay, 2 1. So 0 0 1 0. 1 means 0 0 0 1. Right. So our objective is to subtract these two numbers. So procedure is you have to take 1s complement of this number and add it with the first one. Okay. So let me write the first one here, 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 1. Okay, 0 1 0 1. So let's add it, 1s complement of this number, 1s complement of this number. So what will be 1s complement of this? This will be 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, right? Is it correct? 1s complement. Okay, now add them. This is adder 1. Okay, this is unable to write in the column. Okay, this is adder 1. This is adder 1. Okay, adder 1. So if you add what you are getting, 1 plus 0 is how much? 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, and with the carry 1 1 1 0 with the carry 1. Okay, I'm writing the carry here. Okay, now this 0 1 is 1 0 0 0 is 1 1 0 with the carry 1, then 1 1 0 with the carry 1. This is called as end around carry. End around carry. Okay, end around carry. This is the carry when we generated it while adding the this first block, right? Okay, now we will go to our algorithm, right? We will go to our algorithm. This is first adder. Okay, first adder where we have added the actual number 45 minuend number and 1s complement of the subtrahend number. Okay, subtrahend number. So this resulted in some number. Okay, now we have to go to another procedure, adder 2. Adder 2 will be adding two numbers. So always remember this carry will be, let me take another color. This carry will be added here always, and this end around carry will be added here to the LSB. Okay, this one will come here. Right, it will come to the next block, but the last end around carry will be added to the last bit. Okay, last bit. Right, so what I will do, let me write it here, this one. So we got 0 0 0 1 and another one was 0 0 1 1. Okay, so the carry, this one, okay, this one is added here. Okay, and this one end around carry is added here. Okay, so this is one input to the adder 2. Okay, one input to the adder 2, right? So if you add what you are getting, so this is 1 1 0 the carry 1, this is 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, 1 1 0 the carry 1, this is 1 0 0. Okay, right, now this is our first sum. Okay, this is our first sum. Let me draw it. This is our first sum. Okay, now here you see, let's go to our rule of thumb, right? If end around carry is generated, if end around carry is generated, okay, then what you have to do, transfer true result of the adder. Okay, transfer true result of the adder 1, right? So this is the true result. Okay, transfer true result of the adder 1 if end around carry is 1. Okay, then let's go to see. see this step. If carry is equal to 1 of one block, then you have to add how much? 0, 0, 0, 0. So what we have here, carry is equal to 1, where here you have carry 1. Okay, here you have carry 1. So what you have to add? If carry is 1 of the summation, what you have to add? See here, you have to add 0, 0, 0, 0 with the result. Okay, you have to add 0, 0, 0, 0 with the result. So this is one input of adder 2. Okay, this is one input of adder 2. And with this, what you have to do? If there is a carry generated here, we have to add 4 zeros as per this rule. Okay, and here also carry was generated, so I will be adding 4 zeros. So what it will result? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is my answer. Okay, what is its equivalent? BCD 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, you can see here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Okay, so this is 2. What is this? This is 2.
4.
What is this? This is 4. I am unable to write here. This is 4. So what will be the answer? The MSB is 2. This is 4. Okay. So if end around carry is 1, okay, you can see end around carry is 1. The result is positive. The result is positive. So my result, this 24 is a positive value. So 45 minus 21 is 24. Okay. Is it clear? Is this process clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let me say this is adder 1. Okay, let me write it. This portion is adder 1. Okay, this portion is adder 2. Okay, adder 2. So adder 2, the adder 1 result, okay, as it is taken. Transfer the true result of adder 1 if end around carry is 1. Okay, if end around carry is 0, we have to take 1s complement of the result. We'll take out in the next example. Okay, let's see the next example. Then I will give some numbers to subtract. You can do yourself. Okay, first understand the steps. Okay, let's 45 minus 21 resulted in 24. Okay, next one I will do 21 minus 45 and see what is happening. Okay, so I'm interested to do 21 minus 45. Okay, let's find out its answer. 21 minus 45. Okay, so 21 minus 45. 2, 1. How to write? 2 means what?
0, 0, 1, 0, sir.
Wait a minute. Yeah, 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0. 1 means 0, 0,
0, 0.
1. Okay. 4, 5. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. And 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1. So what is the actual process? we would like to subtract these two. So you have to take 1s complement of this, 1s complement of this and add them. Okay, so let me write, this is 0, 0, 1, 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, and 1s complement of this number. This is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is 1, 0, 1, 0. You have to invert them to get 1s complement, right? So 1s complement. Now we will be adding this two. Okay, we will be adding this two and see what it results in. Okay, so I'm adding this two. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. There is no carry here. Okay, there is no carry here. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 with the carry 1. So this is 1, 1. There is no end around carry also. Okay, so here end around carry is 0. So I will write end around carry is 0. And this carry is also 0. We don't have any carry here. This carry is also 0. Okay. So I think you will confuse this. So let me write it like this. So carry, we don't have anything here. Okay. Okay, carry is not there. Okay, carry is not there. Now if end around carry is 0, what is the procedure? Okay, if end around carry is 0, let me write, if end around carry is 0, take 1s complement of adder 1 sum. Take 1s complement of adder 1 sum to adder 2. Okay, this is first addition is over here. First addition is over here, adder 1. Okay, now we will go for second adder. Okay, we will go for second adder. Okay, so let's see. You have to take, if end around carry is 0, take 1s complement of the result. What is the result? Let me underline. Okay, this is the result. Okay, this is the result. You have to take 1s complement of the result as one input. Okay, so 1s complement of this result will be how much? 1s complement. So this will be 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, and its 1s complement will be how much? 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so if end around carry is 0, you have to take 1s complement. So previous time what we have taken? We have taken the sum as it is. Okay, the sum as it is we have taken here. Okay, the sum as it is we have taken. But if end around carry is 0, we have to take 1s complement of the sum. Take 1s complement of the sum. Now what you have to do with that? Whether it generated any carry in first block or in second block. Do you see any carry here? Any carry is there? Here and here?
No, sir.
No,
No,
carry.
sir.
Right. So if carry is 0, what you have to do? See, if end around carry is 0
1010 must be.
and carry is equal to 0. So what is 0, 0, 0
Zeros.
should be added.
Add.
Okay. Right. So I'm going to add here. Right, sorry. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, here also 4 zeros. So what it will result? Same thing, right? It will result in same thing. So what is equivalent value of 0, 0, 1, 0? It's 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 4. What will be sign of this? If end around carry is 0, the result is, see here, if end end around carry is 0, result is negative. Okay. Let me write this space here. So this is result is negative. This is the answer. Is it clear? Is the process clear? This is adder 2. Okay. This one is adder 2. This is adder 1. Okay. So I am adding here. Here, adding here. Okay. This is adder 1. This is adder 2. Adder 2. Okay. This is adder 1. Is the process clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can try with a new example. Okay. Let's try with a new example. Subtract 35 minus 24. Okay, try this. After this, do the reverse one. 24 minus 35. Okay. Yes. Do it quickly. Rules are here. Okay. See, if you get an end around carry, you have to carry the same number to the adder 2. If end around carry is 0, you have to take the 1s complement of the result to adder 2. Okay. I guess all of you have noted this. Right, this is the question. $35, $24. B10 roll number 13. B10 roll number 13. Are you there? B10 roll number 13.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah. So, Jayant,
Yes, sir.
speak your registration number completely. 1219.
121910310013, sir.
B913. Who is B913? B913. B913. Are you there? B920. B920. B920.
Sir,
Tell how to do. Quickly. We have 2 minutes. Quickly tell what we have to do. 35 minus 24. Represent 35 in BCD. Represent 35 in BCD. Quickly. Are you there?
Call with their name, sir. Patnaik, sir.
Kirti. Yes.
Kirti, are you there? Hello, Kirti.
Unmute yourself. Sir, some problem. Okay. Yeah. Anyone voluntarily how to represent 35? Tell.
Sir, 35 we have
Sir.
to tell BCD model, sir.
In BCD. BCD only. We are learning BCD subtraction, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
3 means 0011.
Starting.
5 means 0101.
0101. 2 means 0.
2 means 0010.
0010.
0100.
Now, what is the procedure?
We have to do 2s complement
Keep-
for the 2
Yeah, you have to take 1s complement of this.
1s complement, sir.
Okay, 0011. This is 0101. So 1101 1011. Okay, you have to add them. Okay. So what you are getting? So if you add them,
0.
2, you may get a carry here. Okay, and you may get a carry here. Okay, right now try to add them. What you are getting? 110 with a carry 1. 110 with a carry 1. Is it correct? 110 with a carry 1. 110 with a carry 1. Is it okay? Carry 1. 110 with carry 1. Okay. Now do this sum again. 110 the carry 1, 1, 1, 0. Just carry 1, 1, 1, 0. Carry 1. Okay. 1, 1, 0. With the carry 1. What is the end around carry?
Hmm?
So you get the
One,
carry.
sir.
Okay. Now what you have to do? Adder 2.
Sir, ender on carry is 1, right? So we add a 0, 0, 0.
Okay. And around carry is 1 means it's positive. So this one you have to add here. Okay, this one you have to add here. Right. So what will be the result? So it's 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So this is one number. Right. Because there is a carry generated here and here. What we will be adding if you generate a carry?
Add all zeros, sir.
0, 0.
0, 0, 0.
Getting the answer. Add 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Adder 2. So it will result in same value, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It's 0. Okay. Right. Its equivalent value is how much?
11, sir.
End around carry is 1 means it's a positive number. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
The reverse one also you can do quickly. 24 minus 35, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try it yourself. Okay. Show me next time. It's 11 o'clock. You may be having another class. So we are stopping here. Okay. CRs, just send me the attendance. Okay. Right. I guess the process is clear to all of you. Right.
Yes, sir.
The I think I have taken the screenshots. I will be sharing with you. You can go through it. Okay. The video also I will upload. Just go through it and practice. Okay. Some example someone was asking, right? Sum of two numbers. What are those numbers? 40 something someone.
I
wrote.
got that, sir.
You got that,
I
right?
got it, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I got, sir.
Okay. So I'm stopping here. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.